Alright, so we're about to make an AC line. And I've got 1/2-inch hose, number 10 die. I got it in the crimper and I'm positioning right into the center. I'm going to close the hydraulic valve. Got my pin in, and then I'm just going to pump. I'm just going to pump it till they almost touch. Okay. Now I just release the hydraulic thingamajigger. Pull that pin out and check our crimp. Look at that. We have now crimped an AC line. Let's see if it looks like the old one. So the one that came off the vehicle, that's this. It seems like it's got a deeper crimp. I don't know, I'm gonna give it a shot, another shot. I don't know if I can get it lined back up.